The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece that defined an era. Introduced in the 1950s, it was a bold statement of elegance, innovation, and raw performance, a symphony on wheels. Its most iconic feature, the Gullwing doors, gave it a look straight out of a dream. When they lifted, it was as if the car itself was ready to take flight. Under the hood, the 300 SL was revolutionary, being the first production car with fuel injection, which pushed it to breathtaking speeds for its time, up to 160 miles per hour. But it wasn't just about speed. Its long, curving lines and balanced proportions made it a moving sculpture, admired by racers and style connoisseurs alike. Owning one wasn't just about driving, it was about making a statement. It whispered of sophistication, daring, and a love for life's finest experiences. The 300 SL remains an eternal icon, a car that captures not just the eye but the heart.